Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Let's go over some profits. So currently we're sitting at 10,925 in the market right now. We are seeing that big drop. And yes, guys, our indicators did end up calling this drop. We will be going over the emotional index. We'll be going over the long versus short trades today, going over the long versus short trade risk, well, and institutional smart money, support resistance prices, as well as dollar cost average entries and exit points. Guys, let's just start here with the absolute obvious. This yesterday, I was looking at the trend exhaustion pushing up into the top red section here with the price first well money flowing green. This was pushing up to the top section. What do you guys know what I say? Every single time this gets up into the top section, what do we need to do? We need to watch for the market to drop. It perfectly called this drop here. It has perfectly called this drop up here to the downside. It called this drop up here literally before we actually ended up seeing the drop in the market with both of these pushing to the upside here. We ended up seeing an overextension, which I've been telling you guys about. Anytime you see the red trend exhaustion get to the top section up here, just like this, you are expecting to see moves down in the market. Okay, guys? Now, I put my money where my mouth is, all right? And yesterday, I told people in the Telegram group, if you guys are joining us over here, I said, guys, since we're in the top red section here, I do expect to see moves back down. Guys, we ended up winning 4 trades yesterday. So we ended up winning our 40th for 40th trade on DOT yesterday. I then called another exit. We won our 41 for 41 one trade yesterday on BTC. Then we ended up winning 42 out of 42 trades on Matic, and then we ended up winning 43 out of 43 trades on 88. Now, these weren't big wins, but what I ended up telling everybody in the channel over here was, guys, because we are moving up here in the top section up here, I am expecting to see move back down. So we were able to save everybody from losing money, and we all profited on those 4 trades yesterday. I'm out of 88, and I'm waiting for my next buy limit to be set up. So this has been super exciting, guys. Here's the thing I just want to mention at the beginning of the video. Guys, the trend exhaustion price is going up in 6 days. By the time I get on video again on Monday, it's going to be 3 days left. Here's what you guys need to do, and I'm going to go over this analysis, but I don't want you to miss this, okay? Go over here to the description. It's going to say get our trading view indicators. Here it is right here, guys. You have the trend exhaustion. You guys need to get this on your chart, the trend dashboard of the price versus the well money flow. I highly suggest what you guys do today is just get the bundle deal. This will give you access to all of the indicators I have. Every single one of these, including some Forex ones, is the cheapest price. I'm not going to be raising this price, but I'm going to be raising the price of all of these in the coming months. At the end of this month, guys, 6 days left, the trend exhaustion is going to be going up in price. So make sure you guys snag that today on Friday, okay? Watch this. As we saw this move to the top red section here, we ended up seeing basically a bunch of selling pressure take over. We saw a little bit of consolidation, well money flow pushing to the top, and then we ended up getting our drop back down. Now, a question you guys are going to have is like, all right, well, what's going to happen coming into the market, maybe Saturday or Sunday? Could we see a bounce back up? Well, let me just prove to you guys what's happened before with the trend exhaustion when we were down here before. We do see that when we get down there, we are getting jumps back up in the market. We saw this down here where I've pointed this out to you yesterday's video. If we get a low on the candle and we create a lower low on a candle, which basically is price action moving down, but we actually get a low and a higher low on the trend exhaustion, guys, this is a perfect sign that the market's going to go back up. Like if you were literally to use the price first well money flow and the trend exhaustion for all of your technical analysis, you would do so ridiculously well. We called both drops before they happened, and we called exits before we ended up moving back down in the market, making everybody win 4 trades yesterday. So we're now 43 for 43 winning trades on this channel, okay? Make sure you guys snag these 2 indicators before you guys go today on Friday, okay? I'm going to do more videos, but I just want to point that out to you. All right, let's go over this. You guys are going to have questions. You're like, man, I want to get into these trades. How are you guys winning so much? Like, we win a lot because we have really good risk management, okay? The membership, here's what you guys are going to do. I'm going to fly through this and we're going to go over the metrics. I don't want to waste time selling this on here. The price is $49 a month. Great. TradeConfident.io. What I want you guys to do is come over to the live trade section right here and scroll down to Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum. You guys are going to be able to see all the buy limits for Ethereum this morning. Here is what it looks like, and I'm going to use Bitcoin for example, because we did end up pushing down here and getting very close to our entry of $4,005 because these were updated. On Ethereum, right now, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price for Ethereum, all right? If you have $1,000, for example, you're going to split it up into 25% increments. 250, 250, 250, 250. Once your first buy limit is hit, you're going to set your sell limit at the top mark up here. For this example, it's 52,836. This chart is the exact same chart on every single one of our coins this morning, guys. So that is what I highly recommend you guys doing right now. Come over here. Get the indicator bundle, get set up, follow me on the charts with the indicators because that's what's calling the tops and the bottoms like ridiculous accuracy. And then I want you guys to set up your buy limits for Ethereum today going into the weekend because I will be covering this more. Once you guys sign up, go down here, click Telegram. You will automatically be added into the Telegram group because it's free for all of our paid subscribers and you can follow my trade exits over here. This is super simple, guys. Don't make it complicated. All right, let's go over the metrics today for Ethereum because I'm probably going to get some questions about this, so I want to go over this. Now take a look at this. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every single morning, even over the weekend while I'm not doing videos. Guys, we don't work on the weekends. We take the weekend off, go to church, spend time with our family. That's what I like to do. So that's what we're going to do, and I'll be back on Monday, okay? If I do see something over the weekend that I really need to share with you guys, I will put it in the Telegram channel so you guys can see that. All right, watch this. As we were seeing this move down here, guys, we saw anxiety enter the market. When anxiety entered into the market for retail traders, this is where the whales ended up buying. You guys need to watch the update this morning of what happens to this in literally about an hour and a half. The reason for that is this is going to update. Most likely what's probably going to happen here is you're going to see this push down to possibly anxious or fearful in the market. There is only one thing that means, guys, and that is, please, if you're watching this and you guys are like, oh my gosh, you're winning 43 for 43 wins, it is you guys need to set up your buy limits right now. These are incredible times to be buying into the market. Like, big red candles get me more excited than any profits because this is going to help us get into dollar cost average entries better on our long trades. And it reduces risk drastically for long trades because we're already starting at a discounted value on crypto, okay? Follow me over here, guys. Long and short trades, watch again. This is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. But short trades moving out, long trades moving up. You know what? This is sometimes this happens, guys, where you remember when I told you that the metrics are going to be 75 to 80% accurate? Sometimes there are going to be some freak crashes in here that push the price down. That happened here. Now, on Ethereum, I do believe part of the reason why we ended up getting this move down here, if you pull a trend line here, is because of this line touch right here. Literally, it was a perfect line. I had this on the last Ethereum video, but this was a line I was looking at as far as a touch and then it moved back down. So that could have been part of the reason why there. What I want you guys to watch for is if short trades decrease here and long trades increase, this is a very bullish sign that Ethereum is going to pump back around and it's going to start pushing us back into profit for those of you guys who get into your buy limits down here, okay? Follow me down here. We're going to finish up here. This is If you guys take anything away from this video today, I want you to take away from this. Please set up your buy limits for all of our coins because we ended up exiting 4 trades yesterday. Set your new buy limits up. Follow me on this channel, the Telegram channel, and make sure you guys get the indicators to follow along with the tops and the bottoms because they're literally calling them perfectly, okay? Long and short trade risk. We are pushing back up. We were pushing back up into very close to the neutral section, saying, okay, I understand that we're where we're at, back in the neutral. We're basically coming back to previous structure. Lows here. Now it's highs because it's resistance. And then we started moving back down. So what I expect to see today is all this is probably going to do, guys, is just push us back down and say, hey, hello, this is a great place to take long trades. Again, out of this video, guys, it's the price is low and you need to be buying. Watch this metric today as well. Most likely what we're going to see is obviously the price is going to move down, not that far. Price is going to move down probably about right around here. And what you guys are going to see is most likely a orange bar start forming to the upside. Now, I know a lot of people already did, but a lot of people ended up selling into this. They're getting scared. They're like, oh my gosh, everyone who ended up buying up here, who is still holding their long trade positions, were getting very excited. They're like, okay, we're coming back. And then it dropped out. And they're like, okay, forget this. I can't hold anymore. We're going down. They see these predictions of like 2,500 that, yes, I have called out 2,500 on this channel. We could be hitting for a move down here. And so they just end up selling. I'm telling you guys, if you want to get into good trades, I can bet you guys that what you're going to see today is going to show smart money is going to accumulate long trades today. Okay, moving down here, support and resistance prices. We move down. Where's the catch point here for Ethereum? It's down at 2411. All right, let's take a look at 2411. 2411 puts us down here a little bit further on the chart. I think 2411 is a great place we can look for on the chart here, which is right around this area, around these structure lows. I do think, however, that 2,500, the psychological level, will be something that's going to be in play first before we hit that. Obviously, because it's a little bit higher, and it's what's called a quarters theory number, okay? I can explain that to you guys more in other videos, but I do believe we could actually see Ethereum head down to 2,500 here, maybe over the next 1 to 2 weeks. Now, understand this, though, as well. As I'm recording this video, we have a lot of people in our Telegram channel, possibly we have pretty wealthy people. Like the last coaching call I did, the guy put $1 million into crypto. Like the ones before that, hundreds of thousands. So when we get down here and we have our buy limits trigger, it's not like we're going to manipulate the market and push it up. But the more people that are following this, they're starting to understand, okay, when we get to bottom sections, the rubber band effect takes place. Basically meaning as price goes down, demand of the institutions and whales are going to be looking to buy in at lower prices. That's what we're going to be doing as well. So I want you guys to really watch over the weekend here as we come down to the bottom red section for the trend exhaustion and the whale money flow starts pushing down here to the bottom. I am looking for a springboard action to take place here where we can start pushing back up. Okay, I want you guys to watch that because it can absolutely happen. Let's finish up here, and I want to say one more thing before the video is done. Watch this up here, guys. If we do start heading back up, the target for a breakdown is going to be 4,030. Okay, 4,030. Where's 4,030? Right up here at the top. It's going to be around this structure high. It's going to be right around this area as well. We first need to break this one right here, which is 3,170. So my short-term call is I'm not going to try to predict, guys, how high this is going up or how far this is going down. Honestly, the smartest thing I could tell you guys right now is to get your buy limit set up with our membership over there. I don't know how else to say it. It's like, guys, get the membership, get your buy limit set up, follow me on Telegram, and that's how we're making these winning trade calls here, okay? Dollar cost average entries, watch for this today. I wouldn't doubt if today or tomorrow we actually see some more green lines pump in here. Basically, if you guys have like, $10,000 or so, and you're like, I want to throw in $1,000 every time I get a green line because it's super good discounted prices, that's what you guys can do for this. So make sure you guys do watch out for that over the next few days. All right, guys, exit points. Nothing has come out yet. We are still in the clear. Basically, this ended up calling the top here before we started seeing the move back down. And so I'm really happy with this metric here. This is mostly used, guys, for when we're already in long trades. So the next trades that are coming out when you guys hit your buy limits down here, I'm currently still in this trade where my break even is 3,258. We still have 2 more buy limits to go. So I'm at the moment, guys, I'm down so we only used half our position. So I'm down 13.55, but you have to divide that by 2. So dividing that by 2, let's say it's about 7%. But I already exited 50% up here because I had a feeling we might be heading into a drop. So I'm only down, you guys are only down like 3.5% on this trade. I know it might look bad, but this is like literally nothing. I do believe that we can get a rebound in the market and come back up here and hit some nice break-even prices and move above this and win this trade. If it goes down, guys, it's actually almost better because we're going to hit our 2 other buy limits. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, there's 4 buy limits per trade. So we have 2 more buy limits to go, and then that will actually lower our break-even entry to help us make back profit faster because demand will take over, and I believe we'll spike up the price faster. Okay, guys? So I'm not worried about this. I'm literally in this trade with you guys, and I'm fine. Just stay calm, guys. Stay calm and carry on, all right? So, guys, that is the full update for you. I hope you guys are really enjoying this channel. Make sure you guys, if you don't know the steps again, come over here. The trend exhaustion is going up in 6 days. Again, on Monday, you will have 3 days left. Make sure you guys snag this. It literally called the top before we move back down. This will save you, honestly, some of you guys are going to save you hundreds of thousands of dollars for those of you who are trading here with a lot. The hedge funds I've coached in the past, guys, you need to be watching this metric right here. This is not just for retail traders. You guys are losing out on so much money when you're FOMOing into the top here. You guys, I'm talking to like big clients now. You have clients that are going to be calling you, okay? This is a real life thing, so please let me explain this. Those of you who are hedge funds, you have clients' money. You are going to have clients call you, and their friends are going to be drowning them out in their ears, and they're going to be saying, hey, I'm making money right now because it's going up. If those people want to inject money into those hedge funds or any type of IRAs or something like that, if you're at Chase, I literally have had people at Chase Bank when I went there talk to me about my indicators because they're like, oh, we manage people's money at Chase, so maybe we should get in here and actually use them. So if your clients are actually telling you guys, I want to inject money into the market, this isn't financial advice, guys, but if you guys are going to have them FOMO into the top up here or top sections up here, do yourself at least a favor and check this indicator here and just see if we're at top sections because you're going to help save yourself and your clients a ridiculous amount of money, okay? Those of you in hedge funds are usually taking between you need to choose between 1% to 5% basically commissions per year based off the amount that you make for them. I know that because I've even helped them with this as well. So when you guys are getting money injected into the market, I would highly suggest you guys dollar cost average for your clients as well as dollar cost average for yourself, and at least wait for this to get to the bottom section to get in before we start moving back up. Watch the well money flow as well because this is going to predict moves back up as well here in the market. So there you go, guys. God bless you so much. Everything you need is in the description. On the website, trade confident, .io, get your membership. Oh, guys, I forgot the profits. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was supposed to do this in the beginning of the video. I told you guys I added some more profits. Here's a guy who made $1,100 on Solana this last week. That was super awesome. Here's another guy who ended up making $5,000 on ADA. This is all just from this last week. Here's another individual that made $1,100 this last week. Here's a guy who made $7,747 this last week on a trade. This individual made another $1,246 this last week. So all of these guys are using our bundle pack, our indicators, as well as our metrics, and they are doing amazing. So there you guys go, $7,747 using our metrics and our indicators. Great job. $1,000 here, $5,000 here, $1,000 on Solana. So great job, guys. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. Get this indicators. Get the subscription to the website. Make sure you guys go to the Telegram group and follow me. And I will see you guys on the next video today. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.